Hello, welcome guys. How gonna to show you how to enable show contact on taskbar in Windows 10. So guys, very simple method. Please my new channel like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon guys. So guys, let's start our video. So first click on search for guys setting. So guys, search for setting. So guys, two step. Click on search for taskbar setting. So click on taskbar setting. Scroll down guys. So guys, show contact on taskbar. So click on. So guys, pages show people notifications so on. So guys, very simple method. Please how to enable show contact on taskbar in Windows 10. So guys, very simple. Please my new channel like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon guys. Thank you for watching.